Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm really excited to share with you my weekly cleaning routine. You guys absolutely loved my daily cleaning routine video that I recently shared, and since I've been doing this new cleaning routine where I clean up a little bit every single day, at least for an hour, it's been keeping my house really clean. So what I decided to do is compile a list of areas that I needed to deep clean on the weekend once a week. A lot of you guys have shared with me that you recently struggle with a cleaning routine, with life being busy and all of that stuff. So I'm hoping that this video can give you some ideas for your own house or just give you some motivation. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right in.
The things I would say now, I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do.
So one of the things that I like to do once a week is wash our blankets. So I am only washing mine and my husband's and my daughter's because my oldest does wash his own blankets and his own clothes. I do want to put a disclaimer that if you're not able to tackle something every single week, or life gets busy, or you're too tired, give yourself grace. Don't be hard on yourself. It's not every single week that I wash all of our blankets. This is just what I try to do weekly, and this is just what works for us.
In my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. I know.
So the next thing I like to do weekly is dust. So I do go around my whole house and dust in certain areas. And one of the important areas is the vents. So one of the biggest reasons for that is because my daughter does have allergies. So I want to make sure that I dust as often as possible. I did decide to go ahead and change to a microfiber cloth because I didn't want to spread the dust all over the house. So I just went ahead and used the cloth.
Things that you do, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so
I always get asked to share the details of what books I read, so here are some of the books that we own and have read, and this is just our little book collection. I also listen to a lot of Audible, so I have a collection of books in my Audible account.
believe in you, I'll get you round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life.
So I'm really excited to share with you guys that I have teamed up with Jaws today. Jaws is an awesome cleaning product that is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and streak-free. The awesome thing about it is all you have to do is fill your reusable bottle with tap water, you insert a Jaws pod, and you just twist and you spray and you go. 5 of the cleaners are non-toxic, and then the disinfectant is not. But they also have a subscription base where if you just want it shipped right to your house every 3 to 6 months, they will do that for you. So it's super easy and super fun. I will have their link down below along with a 25% off code for you guys. So I'm really excited for you guys to try this because I know a lot of you guys love non-toxic products just as I do. So without further ado, we're going to get back into the video.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just 2 kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep.
So I'm just going ahead and adding a little essential oils onto my wool dryer balls. This just helps put a non-toxic scent all over our laundry, and it also helps for wrinkles. It just helps your clothes have less wrinkles using these wool balls.
We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all.
So we're gonna go ahead and use Jaws glass cleaner on my mirror here. And you guys, the results were amazing. I'm actually gonna show you here in a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit less talking throughout the video just because I want you guys to get all the motivation and listen to the music and stuff, but I am going to be chiming in here and there. So we're gonna give this a shot and see how you guys like it. You can let me know in the comments also.
Live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
So the next thing I like to do weekly is vacuum my stairs. We do have a dog, a lab, as you can see, Remy in the back there. And I have to make sure that I vacuum as much as possible, but I don't always get to the stairs. So that is something I have to do at least once a week.
Live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, so we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and
So another area that I don't clean daily or every time I clean is my entertainment center here. So this is definitely something I just try and wipe down and dust about every week. And it does collect a lot of dust. So I'm just kind of wiping it down and using the Jaws glass cleaner on it and getting it all clean.
Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I do want to mention that I will be sharing more cleaning motivation over on my Instagram. So I'm going to share, just like I do here, me speed cleaning through my house over on Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there so you can get some extra cleaning motivation during the days that I don't post.
The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
If you're enjoying this video and getting tons of motivation, would you please share it with friends and family? I always appreciate that, and that always helps out my channel. Plus, you could share a little bit of inspiration and motivation with them too. So the next thing I like to do weekly is just give my chairs a quick wipe down, make sure all of the little food splatters and crumbs are off there and the sticky fingers and all that stuff.
You are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution. each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart.
So the next thing I like to do is do a quick wipe down of the cupboards, and that is just to get all of the little fingerprints and the food splatters and all of that stuff off.
I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
So we're gonna go ahead and clean out my microwave. If you are new to my channel and you're enjoying this video, I would love it for you to subscribe and join our family here on YouTube. We have a lot of positive vibes going on over here and just helping each other out with tips and routines and all the motivation that you need. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and also the post notifications button so you don't miss another video.
For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving as I think, you try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part.
All right, you guys, look outside. It is so dark. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining here in Arizona and it's super dark and it's messing with my lighting.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would have grown.
If you aren't following me over on Instagram, I actually just shared this DIY makeup remover over there. It is in my highlights if you're interested in checking it out.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
I want to remind you guys to make sure you check out Jaws's link down in this description box and the coupon code that they gave you guys so you can try some of their non-toxic products.
Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
So that is mostly everything I try to do weekly. I hope you got some ideas on how you can create your own weekly cleaning routine that works for you and your family. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation. Please say hi in the comments. I would love to chat with you guys there. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. And here's the comment of the day. I love you. Bye.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is